for Windows users. 1. Metasploit, penetration testing software. It provides data on the vulnerabilities in the security system and performs penetration tests. Metasploit evades leading antivirus solutions 90% of the time and enables you to completely take over a machine you have compromised from over 200 modules. Metasploit. As a penetration tester, it pinpoints the vulnerabilities with an expose closed-loop integration using top remediation reports. Using the open-source Metasploit framework, users can build their own tools and take the best out of this multi-purpose hacking tool. 2. Acunetics Web. Acunetics is a web vulnerability scanner, WVS, that scans and finds out the flaws in a website that could prove fatal. By using Acunetics Web Vulnerability Scanner you can perform a full web scan from your computer in Windows. Acunetics Web. This is the fast and easy which scans WordPress websites from more than 1,200 vulnerabilities in WordPress. 3. MAP, Network Mapper. MAP, Network Mapper, is a port scanner tool. It is used to discover hosts and services on a computer network. It is capable of host discovery, port scanning, service name, and version detection, OS detection. MAP, Network Mapper. It is capable for tasks such as network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and monitoring host or service uptime. 4. Hashcat. You might be aware of the free password cracking tool Hashcat. While Hashcat is a CPU-based password cracking tool, Hashcat is the advanced version that uses the power of your GPU. Hashcat is the world's fastest password cracking tool with world's first and only GPU-based engine. Hashcat. For using this tool, NVIDIA users require ForceWare 346.59 or later and AMD users require Catalyst 15.7 or later. It is released as free software in the versions available for Linux, OS X, and Windows and can come in CPU-based or GPU-based variants. 5. Battlealog. Battlealog provides reliable and undetected hacks to competitive games such as Call of Duty, PUBG, Valorant, Overwatch, and GTA to name a few. The advantage of using cheats with them is that it is guaranteed to be safe, which is very important if you are using game cheats to avoid getting banned or kicked out from the game. 6. Wireshark. Wireshark is the world's foremost and widely used network protocol analyzer. Wireshark. Wireshark has rich features such as deep inspection of hundreds of protocols, with more being added all the time. Multi-platform IoT, runs on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, FreeBSD, NetBSD, and many others. It monitors every single byte of the data that is transferred via the network system. 7. MaltGo. MaltGo is proprietary software used for open-source intelligence and forensics, developed by Paterva. It focuses on providing a library of transforms for the discovery of data from open sources and visualizing that information in a graph format, suitable for link analysis and data mining. MaltGo. It is a great hacker tool that analyzes the real-world links between people, companies, websites, domains, DNS names, IP addresses, documents and whatnot. Based on Java, this tool runs in an easy-to-use graphical interface with lost customization options while scanning. 8. Social Engineer Toolkit. It is an advanced framework for simulating multiple types of social engineering attacks like credential harvestings, phishing attacks, and more. Social Engineer. It automates the attacks and generates disguising emails, malicious web pages and more. 9. Nessus Vulnerability Scanner. Nessus is a proprietary comprehensive vulnerability scanner which is developed by Tenable Network Security. Nessus. It is free of charge for personal use in a non-enterprise environment. Nessus allows scans for vulnerabilities that allow a remote hacker to control or access sensitive data on a system. Misconfiguration, for example open mail relay, missing patches, etc. Default passwords, a few common passwords, and blank, absent passwords on some system accounts. Nessus can also call Hydra, an external tool, to launch a dictionary attack. Denials of service against the TCP/IP stack by using malformed packets. Preparation for PCI DSS audits. Most of the worlds are using Nessus to audit business-critical enterprise devices and applications. 10. Nessus Remote Security Scanner. It was an open source, but recently it has been changed to closed source. It is the mostly used security scanner over 75,000 organizations worldwide. Nessus. Most of the worlds are using Nessus to audit business-critical enterprise devices and applications. 11. Kismet. Kismet differs from other wireless network detectors in working passively. Namely, without sending any loggable packets, it is able to detect the presence of both wireless access points and wireless clients and to associate them with each other. Kismet. It is also the most widely used and up-to-date open-source wireless monitoring tool. Also includes basic wireless IDS features such as detecting active wireless sniffing programs including NetStumbler, as well as a number of wireless network attacks. 12. NetStumbler. NetStumbler, also known as Network Stumbler, is a tool for Windows that facilitates detection of wireless LANs using the 802.11b, 802.11a, and 802.11 grams LAN standards. NetStumbler. It runs on Microsoft Windows operating systems. It is used for war driving, verifying network configurations, finding locations with a poor network, detecting unauthorized access points,